Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hey, the question is question number 14.57. Question is suppose that we have an operation amplifier with a maximum output voltage range from -10 to +10 volt. The maximum output current magnitude is 20
Here's a
milliampere.
clean and professionally
The
formatted
slew rate
presentation of
limit
the
is
calculation shown in
SR
the image.
is equal to 10 volt per microseconds. This
Application of the work
operational
energy theorem,
amplifier is
WET.
used in the
From the work
circuit
energy
of
theorem,
figure
the force F is
14.2a.
given by F equals
Here
frac
are
x
the
KE,
five
where
parts. A part
KE
is
equals
find
kinetic
full
energy,
power
S equals stopping
bandwidth of
distance.
operational
And I'm given
amplifier.
for object
B
A, FA
for a
equals frac
frequency of 1
100,000,
kilohertz and RL is
0.10.
equal to
For object
1
B,
kilo
FB
ohm.
equals frac
What peak
225,
output voltage is
1500 equals
possible with R
0.15 tech
distortion?
spakes in. And force ratio
Question
frac
C.
FA,
For a
FB
frequency of 1
equal frac
kilohertz and
0.10,
resistance RL is equal
0.15
to
equal
100
frac
ohm,
2 null
what peak
result.
output
I'm a
voltage is
box frac
possible without
FA,
distortion?
FB. Would you like a
Question D.
PDF
For
version
a
of this
frequency of
explanation?
1 megahertz and resistance RL is equal to 1 kilo ohm, what peak output voltage is possible without distortion? Question E. If RL is equal to 1 kilo ohm and VST is equal to 5 sine into 2 pi 10 to raised to power 6t, sketch the steady state output waveform of the scale versus time. So, here are five different parts, and firstly, the answer of part A is equal to F F P is equal to SR over 2 pi into VOM. Putting the values 10 to raise to power 7 over 2 pi into 10, it comes out 159 kilohertz. This is the answer of part 1. Now coming towards part B, VOM is equal to 10 volts. So it is limited by it is limited by the maximum output voltage maximum output voltage capability of operational amplifier. Part C answer is in this case the limit is due to maximum current available from operational amplifier. Thus maximum output voltage is VOM is equal to 20 milliampere into 100 ohm, which comes out to be 2 volts. Now these are the answers of part A, B and C. Coming towards part D, answer is in this case slew rate is the limitation. So V naught into T is equal to VOM sine of omega T dV naught into T over taking the derivative omega v om cos of omega t dv naught into t over dt maximum is equal to omega into vom is equal to sr vom is equal to sr over omega. This is 10 to raise to plus 7 over 2 into pi into 10 to raise to plus 6. It comes out 1.59 volts. This is the answer of part D. Now, in the end, draw we have to draw sinusoidal diagram. So these are the axes t 10 2.5 minus 10. So a wave like this and this, while the sinusoidal form, which would be ideal output, would be like this. In a form of sinusoidal, passes through this point, again passes through this point, again passes through this point, and here. So the distance between this and this would be 0.5 microseconds. 0.5 microseconds. This is 1 microsecond. This is ideal output. V naught is equal to 2 into Vs, and this is actual output. Okay, now this to this means to say this point and from this point. This is actually, you can say, peak to peak amplitude, peak to peak amplitude is equal to 0.5 microsecond into 10 to raise to power 7 V over S, which comes out 5 volts. So this is the required sinusoidal wave. Thank you.